One day I was out with my family. My whole family came back home, and we were shocked. Our little doggy had destroyed our house. He had bitten and tore the cushion on the sofa, and there was cotton stuffing all over the house. Our whole house was covered in cushion stuffing. It took my family about 3 hours to clean the house. However, when I saw my dog's cute face, I forgave him immediately.